Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and this is Checkout Maximizer. For example, if you are affiliate marketer, you are in online business, you are e-com guy, or you are a drop shipper providing drop servicing and all. But even if you are not getting too much revenue and profit, so this will be your solution provider. How it can be a solution provider? This is a Checkout Maximizer, which is plugin. This is WordPress plugin, or also you can install whatever in any website which supports plugin system and all. So this is a complete plugin, and this plugin will help you. Actually, this is secret plugin will help you to increase your profit, revenue, lead generation, whatever type of your conversion and acquisition, it will help you 1000x, 100x, whatever it may be, not even 1000x also. But if this plugin able to help you 10x only, even you will be in profit itself. Simple. So this is a plugin. There is no member access area for this because this is a tool. And what it does actually, generally in this $1 billion loophole, this plugin will help you to increase your revenue and profit and whatever, just because this plugin will help you to show your all landing page, your checkout page, whatever it may be. It will help you to show all those page just in updated format, attention grabbing format, so that your people, your audience, your customers, all those people and persons can click on that. Just because of this plugin will work like that, this will be attention grabbing. Actually, this will create attention grabbing pages, opt-in pages and all. Just because of that, you will get some more clicks, higher CTR, click through rate, and just because of that, the chances will be too much higher for the checkouts and all. Okay, so that's how this plugin will work for you. Actually, complete process and method of this plugin will be secret. Okay, actually this is a complete different programming inside. Okay, you have to just install it by clicking buttons and all, and after installing you have to just activate it, and later it will perform your work and all. Okay, so that's how this will work. Okay, this will be a sales page, you can see. Okay, this all things you are going to get, which is convert 100x, and all these things increase buyer experience, generate traffic and all, because it will also help you to generate traffic, because this is secret plugin and many programmings are already working behind this, inside this, you can say. So just because of that, you will get some traffic. You will actually, your page will look like automatically like attention grabbing and all, so that you will increase your CTR. And later all these things you can add premium buy button and so much things which already not explained here, but you will get all those things. Okay, so just go ahead with this button and just install in this. Why? Because you are already in profit, because you can see here, here is 365 day money, 365 days money back guarantee. Easily you can try it for 1 year, for months and months, and later if you are not satisfied, you can go ahead with your this money back guarantee option. Okay, so you are already in profit, you should go ahead and you should try this. So we will meet later. Okay, till then, bye.